which means let us study division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So our question is 3.25 divided by 0.5, which means we have to divide. 3.25 is a decimal number, 0.5 is another decimal number, we have to divide. So which is equal to 3.25 divided by 0.5, which means 3.25 instead of 3.25 I am going to write 3.25 325 by 100. We know division by 100. When we divide by 100 we will get 2 zeros are here, so we have to place 2 point here, then 3.25. So we have 3.25. So 325 by 100 we wrote 325 by 100 divided by 0.5. 0.5 means here after point 1 digit. So we can write 5. Removing this point and write 5 by 10. Only 1 point, so 1 0. So 3.25 divided by 100 divided by 5 by 10. So which is equal to, now we have two fractions. We can division, so we can divide two fractions. How? By multiplying the reciprocal, which means 325 by 100 into this division we change into 10 by 5 by 10. That means 10 by 5. 10 by 5. So 325 by 100 into 10 by 5, which means here 325, here 5, here 100, 10. We can cut this 1 0 and 1 0, 10 and 100. You get it 10. Here 5, 325. Here 32, 6 into 5, 32. You can cut 6 into 5, 32. Remainder 3, 35. Sorry, 2, 25. That is 5, 65. We will get 65. So 65 into 1 by 10 into here 1. That is 65 by 10. 65 by 10, which is equal to 65 by 10 means here 0, 1 0, 65. So when we divide, we have to use 1 point after 1 0. So after decimal point 1 digit, that is 6.5. So we got 6.5. So our rule is 3 point division of a decimal number by another decimal number. We are changing this decimal number by a whole number by using division by a 0, 100, 1000, etc. Here after decimal point 2 digits. So here we use 2 digits 0, that is 100. Here after decimal point 1 digit, so we use 10. Then division to fractions, then multiplication of reciprocal of the next term, that is 10 by 5. So then cutting we will get 65 by 10, that is 6.5. Another question, 30.94. Second question, 30.94 divided by 0.7. 30.94 divided by 0.7. The rule is that 30.94 by here point after point 2 digits, so by 100 divided by 0.7. 7 after point 1 digit, so 7 by 10. So we got 309 by 4 by 100 by 7 by 10, which is equal to 3094 by 100 into reciprocal. This division changed into multiplication, then 10 by 7. Now just we can cut this 0 and 100, that is 0 and 100, 10 and 100 we can cancel, we got 10. Then 3094 and 7. When we cut 3094 by 7, how can we cut 7? How can we cut 7 into 4? 28. Remainder 2. Then 9. Again 7 into 4, 28. Remainder 1. Then 4. 1 4. 40. 2 into 7, 40. So we can cut with 7. So here 1 time, here 442 time. So we got 442 into 1 by 10 into 1, that is 442 in numerator, only 442, here 1, so 442 into 1, that is 442, here 10 into 1, 10. So 442 by 10, 442 by 10 means here division by 10, which means after points only one digit, here 1 0, so answer is 44 point. So we got 44 point. So 30.94 divided by 0.7 is equal to 44.2. Next question. (0.5) divided by 0.25. 0.5 divided by 0.25, which is equal to, here after points one digit, that means 5 by 10 divided by 0.25. Here after points 2 digits, that means 25 by 100. After point 2 digits, that by 25 by 100. So 5 by 10 divided by 25 by 100, which is equal to 5 by 10 into 100 by 25. Multiplication with the reciprocal, 100 by 25. So we got 5 by 10 into 100 by 25. So we can cut, how we can cut here 25, 10. 0 and 0 we can cut. Then here 5 one time, 5 times. Then again 1 with the 10 and 5, that is 2 times 1 times, that is 2 by 1. We got 1 into 2 by 1 into 1, that is 1 into 2 by 1 into 1, which is equal to 2 by 1, which is equal to 2. Which means, I will say once again, 5 into 5 by 10 into 100 by 25. We can cut here 5 1 times, 5 times, then 0 cut, then 1 time, 2 times. That is 1 into 2 by 1 into 1, that is 2 by 1. The answer is 2. So 0.5 divided by 0.25, which is equal to 2. So we can divide a decimal number by another decimal number. Next question, 7.75 divided by 0.25, which is equal to 775 by 100, 775 by 100 divided by 25 by 100, 25 by 100. So 775 by 100 divided by 25 by 100, which is equal to 775 by 100 into 100 by 25. 100 by 25. 100 cancel. 775 by 25, which means 775 by 25 we can cut 25, that means 25 into 3 75, that is 2 25 1 25 0. So you got 31. Cut to 25 1 31, that is 31 into 1 by 1 into 1. So 31 into 1 31 by 1, answer is 31. So 7.75 divided by 0.25, which is equal to 31. Next question, 76.5 divided by 76.5 divided by 0.15. 0.15. 76.5 divided by 0.15. So which is equal to 76.5 means 765 by 10. By changing this decimal, we got division by 10, that is 765 by 10 divided by 0.15 means 15 by, here after decimal point 2 digits, so use to 0, that is 100. So 765 by 10 divided by 15 by 100, which is equal to 765 by 10 into 100 by 50. 765 by 10 into 100 by 50. So we can cut this 0 and 0. Then 765 by 50. We can easily cut 765 by 50. 15 into 5, 75. Remainder 1, 51. 1 into 50, 50. So we got 51. So 765 by 15 means 151 times, which is equal to 51 into 1 by 1 into 1. That is 51 by 1. That is 51. So 765 divided by 51.10 by 1 into 1. That is 51 into 10, 510. So 51 is there. Here 10. 51 into 10 by 1 into 1. That is 510 by 1. That is 510. That is 76.5 divided by 0.15, which is equal to 510. Last question. 37.8 divided by 1.4. 36.8 divided by 1.4. So 37.8 divided by 1.4, which is equal to 378 by here 0.1 digit, so 10 divided by 1.4, that is 14 by, after the 0.1 digit, that is 14 by 10. So 378 by 10, division changed into multiplication, then reciprocal, that is 10 by 14. This 10 and 10 we can easily cut, that is 378 by 40. 378 by 14, which means 2 times 28, 9, then 98. 98 means 7 into 14, 98. That is 0. That is, we got cut with the 14, 127 times. So 27 into 1 by 1 into 1. So 27 into 1, 27 by 1, that is 27. So 37.8 divided by 1.4, which is equal to 27. So we can easily divide a decimal number by another decimal number.